Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I am going to tell you about how you can create a very simple calculator using Java programming language. So let's get started. So the first thing that we need to do here is open new class, and let's say calculator, enter. Select this, right click, open editor. So there will be a sample code, control A and delete. Let's say class calculator bracket void display. This will create an instance, integer data type number 1 comma integer data type number 2 comma string string data type, let's say operator. Okay, this will take the operator as string. So now if operator is equal to, let's say, plus, then integer data type number 3 is equal to number 1 plus number 2, say system dot out dot println plus number 3. Okay, so next, else if bracket operator is equal to double quotation minus double quotation close, bracket close, enter, bracket open, integer data type number 3. You have to repeat that integer data type number 3, number 1 plus number 2, system dot out dot println bracket plus number 3. Next, else if bracket open operator is equal to, now let's say multiplication